When you live a life on the go, staying connected is essential. Introducing the BlackVue DR970X-2CH LTE Plus, the dashcam that keeps you connected wherever you go. Equipped with a newly designed front camera featuring the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, larger aperture and increased shutter speed, and BlackVue's fine-tuned image signal processing, you'll capture every detail of your journey in stunning clarity. With the included SIM card, your dashcam remains constantly connected, ensuring effortless backup and security of your footage in the cloud. And with BlackVue Cloud, you can access your footage anytime, anywhere, and receive event notifications when you're away. The BlackVue DR970X LTE Plus also serves as a Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to connect up to 5 devices to your dashcam. BlackVue DR970X LTE Plus series, the unmatched solution for on-the-go connectivity and high-resolution video capture. Now available with our Buy Now, Pay Later option. Financing options available. Go to BlackVue.com for more information.